Let's quickly talk about how to choose the right excess for your car insurance. What is an excess? It's the amount you pay when you claim before your insurer pays the rest. Higher excess equals lower premium. If you choose a higher excess, your monthly premium goes down. It's great if you're a careful driver or rarely claim. Lower excess equals higher premium. A lower excess costs more each month, but it protects your wallet if something goes wrong because you pay less at claim time. How do you choose? Simple. Ask yourself, can I afford the excess today if I had an accident? Do I want lower premiums or lower out of pocket costs? Find the balance. The best excess is the one that keeps your premiums affordable and won't leave you stranded during a claim.